Bonjour, in this video I will show you how to reproduce this letter that looks like a sunset in Procreate. With this tutorial, you will learn how to create a larger monoline brush and how to use the liquid tool and Gaussian blur to make the letter look like it's fading inside the water. If you want to use the same color palette as I did, you can get it for free in the Creative Vault, thanks to the link just below this video. Okay, let's go! First, choose the size of your canvas. In my case, I will use a screen size canvas. We will directly set the color background. Select the color background layer on your layers panel. Then choose this white color from the color palette. To create the letter, we will modify the monoline brush. Go to your brush library. Find the monoline brush in the calligraphy brush set. Slide from right to left on your monoline brush to duplicate it. Tap the duplicate one to enter in the Brush Studio. Go to the Properties tab and set the maximum size to 150%. Then tap Done at the top right. Now select this orange color from the color palette and set the maximum brush size. Create your O shape with your new monoline brush. Then hold your Apple Pencil on your screen. Place a finger on your screen to create a perfect circle shape. Tap the transformation tool and make sure that snapping is on. Then put your letter in the middle of your canvas. Now let's add the water, create a new layer. Take this blue color and drop it on your new layer. Tap the transformation tool. Then drag your layer down to the middle of your canvas. Tap with two fingers on your layer, then slide to the left to lower the opacity. Now let's cut the letter in half. Tap and hold with two fingers on the layer with the water. You have selected the shape of your water. Tap the layer with your letter and drag 3 fingers on your canvas to open the copy-paste menu. If you want to know more about the copy-paste menu, I invite you to watch this video. Tap Cut and Paste. Then tap the Selection tool to disable the selection. You can now see two layers with your letter's top and bottom parts on your layers panel. Let's use the Liquify tool on the bottom part to simulate waves on your letter. Select the bottom part of your letter. Go to the Adjustments menu. Then tap Liquify. I advise you to put the pressure to 50% with no distortion or momentum, and don't set the size too big. Avoid to use the effect close to the top part of your letter because you will lose the link between the two parts. You can use the Adjust slider to adjust how strong the effect is on your layer. Once you are done, Tap the Adjustments menu icon to commit. Now let's add a mask to make the bottom of the letter disappear and simulate the feeling of depth. Tap on your layer with the bottom part of your letter, then tap Mask. If you want to learn more about mask, I invite you to watch this video. Now let's choose the color black with the soft brush from the airbrushing brush set and apply it slightly on the bottom part of your letter. Now let's use the Gaussian blur to accentuate the depth effect. Select your layer, go to the Adjustments menu, and tap Gaussian blur in Pencil Filter mode. Use your Apple Pencil to create the Gaussian blur. And use your finger to adjust the strength of the effect. The idea is to use the effect less and less intense as you approach the top of the letter. As soon as you are satisfied with the result on one side, tap with your finger on your screen, then tap Apply. Once you are satisfied with the result, tap again on the Adjustments menu icon to commit. Now for the last effect at the bottom part of your letter, we are going to use Clipping Mask. If you want to know more about Clipping Mask, I invite you to watch this video. Create a new layer above, tap on it, then add Clipping Mask. Take this blue color with the soft brush, then apply it on the bottom part of your letter. Now let's take care of the top part of your letter. We will also add a clipping mask to create a gradient, create a new layer on top of the upper part of your letter, and add clipping mask. Tap on the end of your layer, turn on the overlay blend mode, grab this yellow color, and apply your soft brush to the top part of your letter. Now let's add a texture to your entire canvas. Take the black color with the Tarkin brush from the Textures brush set. Create a new layer at the top of your Layers panel. Tap the N and set the blend mode Soft Light. Rotate your canvas horizontally. Then use your brush on your entire canvas. Now let's add some texture to the water. First, slide from left to right with 2 fingers on your layer to set Alpha Lock. If you want to learn more about Alpha Lock, I invite you to watch this video. Play with those blue colors with your soft brush. Use dark colors more towards the bottom and the light colors more on the top of the water. For the finishing touches, create a new layer above, tap the Actions menu, copy canvas, then paste, go to the Adjustments menu, tap Sharpen Layer, slide to adjust to 100%, go to the Adjustments menu again, tap Noise Layer, slide to adjust to 5%, go back to the Adjustments menu, tap Chromatic Aberration Pencil Filter, and use your pencil on the bottom part of your letter. And slide to adjust to 15%. And voila! If you find this tutorial helpful, the best thing you can do to support me is to click on the like button and to subscribe to my channel for more lettering tutorials in Procreate. I'd like also to take this opportunity to tell you that I have created a free course to help you get started in Procreate. If you are interested, the link is in the description. So until the next one, bonsoir!